Hello, I'm John, CBR Classic Restorations, and you join us today with the underside of the Bristol 603. Now, first of all, I'm going to need to fit the prop shaft. Prop shaft fits in the end of the gearbox, this end, with a spline which is male on the gearbox side, and there is a seal external to this shaft. And the other end bolts to the differential, which is on these two little brackets which hold these races in, which have got pencil bearings inside. Right, and it appears the prop shaft won't go in quite far enough because I haven't yet put the rear gearbox mount on, so I'm going to now have to lift the gearbox slightly with our gearbox stand and assemble the rear gearbox mount. Now this is our rear gearbox mount, one big pin through there, through two brackets on the actual body of the car, and two bolts which bolt upwards, holding that piece to the gearbox with these two bolts. Now this is actually the exhaust bracket, which also bolts through on the same two bolts, like so.